Ever caught yourself thinking in a product development or product improvement scenario? This is a simple change. Why is it so difficult to get an answer? New product development is already an involved process with 5 major parts, each with its own sub-processes, so time and accuracy are of the essence. You already have the world's greatest widget, but you want to swap components to reduce waste, increase reliability, or cut costs. So you task your team to update the ERP with all its validations and master data requirements. Or maybe you are stuck suffering in spreadsheets where the product development process is anything but linear, and you have no idea who changed what, when, and to which value. Enter proEO, Alta Via Consulting's product cost estimation tool. In this video, we will be providing an overview of the functionality of the proEO cost estimation tool. This is the home page. Here, the user is presented with the 6 cost estimates they worked on recently. You can see from the menu at the top, the Product Cost Estimator, or PCE, has 4 features. Cost estimates. The first is the main feature of creating and editing cost estimates. This is the core of the application. We cover this area in a separate video linked here. Next is importing products from your ERP or manufacturing system. This is where you start when setting proEO up initially. You can pull all necessary BOMs and routings from your ERP or manufacturing system into proEO. Here, we define a source from where to pull product BOMs and routings, as well as the target in proEO. The filters allow the user to pull, for example, all the products in a plant or just one particular product's information into one specific cost estimate in proEO. Third is our mass price update function. On this screen, you can update 2 sets of prices. On the left, material prices, and on the right, other internal input prices. Internal input prices refer to cost rates for internal resources, such as the activity type rates from the CO/CCA module in SAP or from the proEO costing module. For each set of prices, we select the source system from where new prices will be pulled, as well as the target in proEO. The target here is the records in the cost estimator that will be updated. The filters allow the user to do mass updates, such as all raw material prices for this year, all internal input prices for the year, or updating the price of a single raw material for a single cost estimate. Our last feature is the logs functionality, which can be tremendously useful for power users. This audit or tracking feature allows the user to see what changes were made to a cost estimate on any given date, by which user, any notes that the user entered, and which values were changed. The log records the original values and the new values entered by the user. The filters at the top allow the user to filter log entries and also text search on the comment field. For example, if a cost estimator is off sick and the manager doesn't know whether they had completed their last set of tasks, the logs will reveal what the user had implemented. That concludes our overview of the proEO cost estimation tool. This microservices product takes more of a sandbox approach to cost estimation. proEO runs alongside and integrates with your ERP to quickly and cost-effectively generate cost estimates for new product configurations and designs. While proEO, in this sense, provides more of the freedom and flexibility that Microsoft Excel provides, it nevertheless enables significantly more control over your cost estimation process. The audit trail functionality, locking of estimates being edited, and formal user authorization far exceeds the process controls one can achieve with Excel. Remember to visit our project page video to learn more about how the project page enhances your cost estimate creation, editing, and control. Use this link for the project page video.